Hey guys, I just want to show you this is the way to do paddle boats. No paddle on my side. Claire's doing all the paddling. Nice. Faster, Clara. Faster. There you go. Faster, Clara. Whoa. This is nice. Nice paddle boats. Actually, you know, there's two different lakes here with paddle boats on them. It's kind of nice. Hey, don't run me up and... Clara. No. Oh, no. Clara. Oh, ha, ha. That's not right. That's not right. Get out of here. Cut it out. Cut it out. Oh, man. Stop.
Okay, I'll stop.
That's something I would do to her, I'll be honest with you. I ain't gonna lie. My grandpa used to go fishing with him, and he had an aluminum boat with a little outboard on it with drop lines all over the Guadalupe River, and I used to sit at the front of the boat and he would run me up into the branches like that where there was big spiders, big banana spiders, and he'd laugh like crazy getting those spiders all over me when I was a kid. I'd be about 12 or 13. He'd do the same thing. About Clara's age. Now she's doing it to me again. All right. But I'd do that to her too. Faster, Clara. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Hey, how come you can't steer this boat? What's wrong with you?
Yeah, I purposely did.
But you're just gonna hit us on rocks here. That don't bother me nothing. It's a dragonfly right there. Today we're going to Skane, which is the farthest point in Denmark, farthest northernmost point in Denmark. And the Baltic and the North Sea and the Baltic Sea come together there, and the densities are different and the temperatures are different, and you can actually see it. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'll show you that later. Anyway, crap, here we go again. Get me out of here. She's running me all the way up in this.